you.
younger. So we're going to Youre Rooftop Bar, and this is called a Marriott Hotel. And you, as you pull up, they open the door for you and all sorts.
Very fancy. Showed us to the elevator.
We're going to go to the 32nd floor. 32 floors isn't actually that high when the other one's like 70.
Really?
It must be taller roofs or something.
I wonder how long it will take us to get to the 32nd floor.
I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Should we stay here?
I wonder how much it is a night.
Millions.
A bit much for a backpacker. Hello, thank you.
Do you have any reservation?
No.
No problem,ครับ. I will find you some table. Would you like to have a drink only or dinner as well?
Drinks, please.
Drinks.
Yeah.
ครับ I do have at the moment the two table.
Thanks.
We're down the chair.
Gentlemen. This is the menu for this bar. Quite pricey, but it is very posh.
Bangkok, baby.
We are in Bangkok, about to go into a temple where there is a reclining Buddha. Go and have a look at them. They're huge, aren't they? Go and stand next to it.
It's a cool thing. It's a really good education, that, for the YouTube video.
I don't know what it is.
Me neither. Right, so we just donated some money in the box. You're gonna wish for something?
Yes.
Okay then, have a wish.
Can't tell you.
Alright then. I'll rub it.
Rub it. See?
It'll rub. Hit the middle. Hit the black bit. Yeah.
We're we're going to see the Reclining Buddha now. Huge.
Insane.
Massive.
All the pictures. There's different types of positions that Buddhas go in, and when they're laying down, it's the end of their life. Yes, they're like chilling out. But, you know, you've got different types. The ones that are standing are normally like teachers. The ones that are sitting down are like meditators. And then there's one walking as well. I haven't actually seen any walking ones yet, but this is the big laying down Buddha.
I've just read on some information just here by the Buddha that it is 15 meters by 46 meters long. This is the bottom of the Buddha's feet. Cool.
Just paid 20 baht and we're going to get a cup of money.
This is 20 baht.
For good luck, you put the money in the box.
You have to put money in these little pots.
And we've got to think of stuff. Right? We've got to think of like nice thoughts, wishes, all that kind of cool stuff, right?
Yes.
Every time put one in. One forever. Mr. Buddha, thank you very much. Come on, come. So we've just done the Wat Phra Reclining Buddha temple. There's a lot to see here. It's not just the Buddha, there is so much cool stuff going on which you'll see in the video. But I definitely recommend it. It was 200 baht each to get in.
Thank you for watching our video.
If you'd like to follow our journey, make sure you hit that like button, comment below and subscribe to our channel.
And if you'd like to be notified each time we post, then make sure you have the notification bell turned on below.